You can still see it. That's crazy weird. Ah, snap. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So today is a bit of a busy day. Who am I kidding? It's a very busy day. I have to go on school to campus to pick up a couple things for a lab that I have to do, and then I have an assignment to submit by midnight, and then I have a quiz to take, and then I have to do some stuff for work. And I also have to go to the gym and spend at least an hour there. And I need to make sure I go to the gym before the 9 to 5 traffic starts. So if I can leave the gym by 4 o'clock, that would be perfect. My goal for today is also to make sure I'm reaching my 100 grams of protein goal, and I already mapped up what I'm going to eat today, and it's going to be making sure I'm hitting all of like my calcium and iron and everything. So let's go ahead and just start off the day. I'm going to start off with a big bowl of strawberry oatmeal. It's actually going to be protein oats because we're using homemade hemp milk, and I'm going to be making a matcha because how could you not have a matcha? Let's go ahead and start off the day and see what I eat on a busy day, but also making sure I reach my protein goals.
So, wanna know, say me love to start off my day with a little lime water. You all know I love to start off my day with some lime water, and I also love to put oil of oregano in there. It helps to strengthen your immunity, especially now that the cold weather is coming upon us here in North America. So I love to drink a liter of that to really get my system going, because you're extremely dehydrated when you wake up. So the best thing to do is to flush your system with hydration with water. Now I'm going ahead and making my high protein hemp milk. This is literally going to be having 10 grams of protein per serving, full of omegas, full of protein. It's such an amazing way to get healthy fats into your diet as well as omegas, and I just pour that in my oatmeal. It's easily digestible and extremely delicious, and I also threw in a couple of dates in there so I didn't have to use any refined sugar to sweeten my oatmeal. And I also had a banana to help sweeten my oatmeal as well. This was delicious. I topped it off with some strawberries as well as walnuts, and I also put some apples in there to cook down, because cooked down apples taste so good. And this breakfast was literally incredibly filling and was able to keep me full for the entire time while I was on campus getting some schoolwork done. So this here smoothie that I am making has been on repeat in my house almost every day, certainly every week for the past month or two. It's basically my peanut butter jelly sandwich smoothie. Obviously it's not a sandwich, but it just tastes so delicious. It tastes like a liquid peanut butter jelly, and it just tastes so good. It's packed with protein. It has over 20 grams of protein with hemp seeds and peanut butter, and none of that protein is coming from protein powder. It's all coming from natural plant-based sources of protein, which is amazing.
It tastes so good. The coconut milk is absolutely delicious, and the protein and everything and the energy is going to give me just the amount of power and energy I need for my workout that I'm about to go to for the gym. I finished my assignment. It honestly did not take me that long to write because I think it's something that I'm passionate about. It's for my honors human communication class, and basically the assignment was to talk about an issue that you have with communication and write like goals and how you plan on solving that by the end of the semester. And so I just talked about my way of communicating with people and everything, and how to not communicate over emotionally and how to communicate and that both people are respected. So now that that's done, I can finish this, go to the gym, and when I come back I still do have more schoolwork and stuff for the blog to do, but at least that is out of the way.
We don't do nothing subtle, let's get deep. Capital on my trucker, let's get busy. Baby, you know there's nothing, don't be silly. I already know what's up, okay, let's get it. that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it.
So by lunchtime, I was quite hungry. I feel like the big bowl of oatmeal and smoothie definitely did a lot, and they were great, but I was quite hungry at this point. So I wanted to make an easy yet very high protein lunch, and honestly, this lunch comes up to be 57 grams of protein, which is absolutely incredible. Today I'm using soy-free tofu made from fava beans, so I do not want to see anyone in my comments saying soy this. Okay, me get it, me hear you. All right, me totally get it. This is soy-free tofu. All right, I will try to link the company down in the description box down below and the name of the tofu. Anyways, let me break down the protein count in this sandwich. So the bagel alone has 10 grams of protein. Honestly, bagels taste delicious and they are so rich in protein, so I love them. Now this pumpkin scramble that you're seeing me make, I actually meal prepped this. So I did the whole process of like boiling them and blending them over the weekend, and so all I had to do was just heat it up on the stove for about 5 minutes. I absolutely love meal prepping that. The full recipe will be linked in the description box down below, but that had about like 20 or so grams of protein, I believe. And then the soy-free tofu that I did had 32 grams of protein. Honestly, this is even a lot higher than soy protein, so this goes as a win-win in my book. It's super great for people who have soy allergies. It's extremely high in protein, way more than soy tofu, and honestly, this meal is so delicious and kept me full for hours.
Hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like dirt on the dirt with another song.
This meal is high-key giving breakfast vibes, even though it's 5:30 right now. I still have to eat another meal after this to meet my protein goal, but this thing is like over 50 grams of protein, which is just absolutely incredible. I love this sandwich. I've made it once before and shared on my Instagram, and people loved it. It was on my story. It's on my highlights post right now. So I'm just going to eat this, and then I'm going to take that quiz that I was talking about, and then I'm going to probably like read and everything and maybe eat again later, maybe. Because that bowl of oatmeal and the smoothie were both super filling, so we'll see how I feel.
I don't wait around, I'm a real go-getter, no ills in a minute. I'm a certified winner, blowing bands at the stove.
She looks so cute. Kind of messy. Tastes amazing.
So this might seem incredibly strange to some people, but I wanted to show the realness and reality of what I really eat in a day, even though I am a food blogger. Especially if you follow me on Instagram, I post these elaborate meals a lot of the times, but sometimes I do not feel like cooking elaborate things and eating these super fancy gourmet meals all the time. Sometimes I just feel like eating a little snack, and this was literally over 30 grams of protein, just some crispy pinto beans with some Ethiopian Berber spice, and honestly it hit the spot. It helped me reach over 100 grams of protein on this day, and it was just what I needed. And that is what people need to do. They need to listen to what their body needs as opposed to just eating whatever.
Welcome to my lair. I'm just kidding. I'm literally just in my room with my ambient lighting currently. I have my bonnet on and I have my beans in this here bowl. So basically this is what I'm eating to end off my night. I thought I was gonna do something more elaborate, but honestly the first two meals, like that bowl of oatmeal and the smoothie, had me super full, and then the bagel also had me super full. So I'm not gonna just eat just to eat. I just feel like that's very gluttonous, but this will have about 30 grams of protein. So in total I think I will have reached like 127 grams of protein on a busy day, which is incredible as a vegan. Honestly, incredible in general. So I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna nyam it off and just continue to read
and enjoy the rest of my night. Wherever you are and whatever time it is for you, I hope you have an amazing night. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for joining and have a beautiful day. Bye.
California.